kids, welcome to VEDV publication. I am Raksha and I'll be your host. Let's explore this world of computers.
Welcome! Today we have something exciting planned for all the young writers out there. We are going to learn how to create, edit, save and print a document. So grab your pens and paper and let's get started. Hey there! Welcome back to another chapter of MS Word 2010. Create a new blank document. Alright, to begin we need to open a blank document. Go ahead and launch your favorite Word 2010 processing software. Once your software is open, look for the option that says New Document or New File. Click on it. You now have a fresh blank document to work with. Now that we have our blank documents, let's add some text. Imagine you are starting a story, so think of a catchy title. Type it at the top of the page. Great! Now that we have a title, let's add some content to our story. Think of an interesting opening sentence and type it below the title. It could be something like, Once upon a time in a magical forest. Saving a document. Awesome! You are doing great so far. Now, let's save a document. Once you create your story, it's important to save that document for further use. Saving is also important because it ensures we don't lose our progress. Look for the save option in the menu or toolbar. A dialog box will appear asking you to choose a location to save your document. Select a folder where you would like to keep it and give it a meaningful name. Something like My Adventure Story. Opening a saved document. Fantastic job! You've successfully saved your document. Now let's move on to the next step, opening a document. If you close your word processing software and wants to continue working on your story later, you'll need to know how to open it. Launch your software again, and this time instead of creating a new document, look for the open option in the menu or toolbar. Navigate to the folder where you saved your story earlier and select the file. Click on the open and just like that, your document is back on the screen, ready for you to continue writing. Printing a document. Finally, let's talk about printing your document. Sometimes it's nice to have a physical copy of your work. Look for the print option in the File tab or toolbar. A print setting window will appear, allowing you to customize how your document will look when printed. You can adjust settings like the number of the copies, paper size and more. Once you're satisfied, click on Print to start the printing process. And there you have it, a beautiful printed copy of your story. Now, you can share it with your friends, family or even your teacher. Conclusion. That wraps up to today's chapter on MS Word 2010. I hope you had fun learning how to create, edit, save and print a document. Remember to save your work regularly so you can never lose any progress. Until next time, take care, keep shining. Goodbye, see you in the next chapter.